we're going to upgrade a 2010 MacBook Pro that has a 320 gig conventional hard drive and 4 gigs of RAM. We're going to add a 120 gig solid state drive and 8 gigs of RAM and see how much that improves boot up speed. So we're going to start by unscrewing the bottom of our MacBook. There are 10 Phillips head screws on the bottom of the MacBook that you'll need to remove before removing the case. Once we have those off, we simply lift the bottom case right off. We have our conventional hard drive here, which we're going to upgrade, and our RAM here, which we're also going to upgrade. Start by removing the hard drive caddy with 2 Phillips head screws. Once you have that piece off, just put that aside. We'll open up our new 120 gig solid state drive. Just a standard SATA connection. We'll remove the old drive, being careful not to rip the SATA ribbon connector. And there we have our conventional hard drive. There are 4 Torx screws, 2 on each side of the drive that need to be removed. We'll just take those off and then put them on the new solid state drive. These screws are important to hold the solid state drive inside the hard drive caddy. We'll go ahead and reconnect the drive to the SATA connector. And then we'll screw our hard drive caddy right back in place. Drive's all installed. Let's not forget the RAM. We'll remove the old stick and replace it with 2 brand new 4 gig sticks of DDR3. These simply slide right in and lock down into place on the logic board. Once those are in, it's time to screw the bottom case back on. Now we're all done with the hardware portion of our upgrade. Now to install an operating system. There are two ways to do this, with a USB boot drive or a USB hard drive. I like to use a hard drive with a SATA to USB connector because I can put all of my Mac operating systems on one drive. You can do the same with flash drives as well, but you'll need a big one if you want to hold a lot of operating systems, like I do. Simply hold the Option key when you turn on your Mac, and you'll be presented with a boot menu. Select the USB device you want to boot up to, and it'll load right in. We're just going to run a free cloning software called SuperDuper, which clones a hard drive in about 20 minutes. Let's see how fast it is now. So, as you can see, simply adding a solid state drive and upgrading the RAM a little bit can make your old Mac a lot faster, snappier, feel kind of like new. Definitely a good way to save money, and there's no reason to chuck that old Mac just yet. Stop in to TVH Computers anytime to see how much we can speed up your old laptop. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more cool videos.